Today I want to show you guys how to change the reverse light bulb on the 2015 Maserati Ghibli. So on the left, this is the bulb I purchased from Alibaba, and this is the original one come from the Maserati. Yeah, I know the difference is huge, but there's no problem to fit that longer and bigger bulb into the tail light assembly. So let's start it. So first of all, you need a flat screwdriver that pop off the plastic cover off. You have to go from the bottom of the cover, just put a little bit lightly and it comes out very quickly. Okay, once it comes off, you'll see there are two screws. You have to take them off. Those two screws are T30. So once you take those two screws off, there's another one. It's somewhere here, around here, but you have to go inside in order to take it off. So, okay. We have a little cover here. So you just pop it off, and then we can access the screw from there. So just connect to the plastic socket, okay, and then unscrew it. If someone take it off before, then you are lucky that you can use your hand to unscrew it. If it's not taken by anyone, then it's tight, very tight. You have to use a wrench to attach to the extension to take it off. Once you take off the inside screw, you can take this off. So firstly, pull this part here. It's better to use two hands. Okay. Then you can take this off. All right. So here the screw, you see, right? Has another switch there to detach it. So when you twist 90 degrees, you'll see the buckle here. Just release it, pull it up, and then detach it. Once you take off the tail light assembly, here is the bulb for the reverse light. Just twist it, maybe 45 degrees, and it will come out. And then you just change the bulb. It's really simple. So after you've done that, just put the tail lid back on and test it. If it's working, then you can just secure it. Then you'll finish the job.